Hi sweet friend, I'm Sprout. Let's make a butterfly. I'm using yarn and a 2.5mm hook. Part 1. Base round. Start with the magic ring. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Work 2 double crochets into the ring. Now you have 3 double crochets total. Chain 2 to form a space. Repeat 3 double crochets, then chain 2. Make 8 groups total. Now I have 2 groups done. Continue in the same pattern for the rest of the round. When you're done, you should have 8 groups. Once all 8 groups are done, slip stitch into the third chain to join. Pull the loop long, cut the yarn, and tighten the magic ring. Part 2. Wings. Switch to pink yarn. Insert your hook into any chain space. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Work 2 more double crochets in the same space. Now you have 3 double crochets. Chain 2. In the same space. Work 3 more double crochets. Crochet over the yarn tail to hide it. That's 1 group done. Move to the next chain space and repeat the same steps. Work 8 groups total around the round. Take your time, there's no rush. When you're finished, slip stitch into the third chain to join. Pull the loop long and cut the yarn. If it looks a little uneven, that's okay. Let's keep going. Part 3. Butterfly edging. Insert your hook into the side chain space. Lay the yarn over your hook to hide the tail. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Work 5 more double crochets in the same space. Now you have 6 double crochets. Chain 3. Slip stitch back into the first chain to make a picot. In the same space, work 6 more double crochets. Chain 2. Insert your hook between the 2 groups of double crochets, and make 1 single crochet. Chain 2. Repeat the same steps. 6 double crochets gives picot, give 6 double crochets, gives chain 2, gives single crochet. Take your time, just work this pattern all the way around. When you finish the round, slip stitch into the third chain to join. Chain 1, pull the loop long, and cut the yarn. Part 4. Finishing. On the back side, weave in all the yarn tails. Trim any extra yarn. Fold the butterfly gently to shape it. Now, let's make the antennae. Make a slip knot. Chain 30. Cut the yarn and tie a knot to secure it. Trim the extra yarn, and that's it. Our beautiful butterfly is finished.